This is my Mother's Day card to my mom. It's a instant vase. You can probably do all of them you want. Hi Mom, happy Mother's Day.
Thanks. Happy Mother's Day.
That's my mom right there. It's all about her and my sister if she comes over. It's Mother's Day today, yes, and it's also kind of a race against time because we got storms coming. Some areas are being hit. You got dark clouds outside already. I did feel some misting out there when I was out there. But it's gone. Today is Sunday, May 12th, I believe. Today's the 12th, right?
Yes, 11th.
May 11th, 2014. It's Mother's Day. My brother and I are out here at the store getting some stuff for Mother's Day cookout. Hope you all are having yourselves a nice Mother's Day. Train your mom, do something, give her something nice. Say thank you for giving you life. It's really nice out. Today it's about 75 degrees here in Waukesha, Wisconsin, while in parts of Colorado and Wyoming are under a snowstorm. Some blizzard conditions and like here we got none of that.
Those are relative.
Yeah.
No more relatives. They all died.
Looks like the storms we're supposed to get today are starting to come in now. We're hoping to have a Mother's Day cookout today. Hopefully we get home in time before the rain even comes. Oh, look at this. Supposed to get some really bad storms today. This is my Mother's Day card to my mom. It's a instant vase. You can probably do all of them you want. Hi Mom, happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, man.
That's my mom right there. It's all about her and my sister if she comes over. It's Mother's Day today, yes, and it's also kind of a race against time because we got storms coming. Some areas are being hit. You got dark clouds outside already. I did feel some misting out there when I was out there. But it's gone.
Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Green Lake County in south central Wisconsin, northwestern Fond du Lac County in east central Wisconsin until 4:30 p.m. At 4:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Green Lake or near a bend, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs.
Hi, Mom.
Kenosha County. And as we widen the view out and look back to the west of us, we get a nice break before more thunderstorms back in Iowa could develop and move in later tonight. And then there's the snow from Denver west and then north. Pretty good shot of snow over a foot in some of the mountain areas, especially west of the Denver metro area. Still some strong thunderstorms in parts of Nebraska as well as Kansas. From our Doppler 6000 radar right here at our Ground Deer Studios. Here it is, really lit up pretty brightly here.
You got some storms coming right now. They got those storms coming right here.
I do want to concentrate on that is for those of you in southern Sheboygan County in particular.
They get the heavier storms than we do.
And it runs from around the
Gonna try and have ourselves a Mother's Day cookout today. Got some storms on the way. Got thunderstorm watches till 10 o'clock tonight. Oh. Let's see if this grill is available. Got some white sprinkles right now. This tree looks like it may have sneezed at one time and lost all its leaves. It was an onion. My onion. Hello?
Hello.
Like all that, yeah. Rods. Hot dogs. Oh, get some burgers too. Also got some fried chicken. I'm gonna cook this on the grill. No. Give me a drumstick. There we go. Whoa. Yeah, you're sunburnt.
Hey. He's gonna be cooked really quick. The heat's so high.
You all hear that? Got some thunder here. No, it's a real race against time for this Mother's Day cookout. And we're approaching storms. I have actress Vanessa Hutchins here on Facebook as a contact. See. Today she's doing the Q&A session on here. People wanted to ask her questions. She actually posted mine right here. That's when I asked her right there, and she posted it. Her answer to it. And we got rain. You feel it? You feel the rain? Yeah. This is my question I posted to Vanessa Hutchins, and here's her answer to it. I got quite a few Hollywood celebrities on here. She's actually quite nice. This is the real Vanessa Hutchins here. She may have one or two other Facebook accounts, but this is one of them right here. She gets annoyed if you ask her if she's real person or not. If you want to know if it's real or not, this is her page right there. Somebody left their toy car right here, toy truck. Look at that thing smoke.
Don't call it a Smoky Joe for nothing.
Yeah, we're starting to get some rain droplets now. Got some thunder.
Now we need to go kite flying.
We still have some hot dogs and hamburgers.
I don't know if I'll have time to toast these.
I am sure it'll be okay. You just toast them now and then be ready when you dig inside. Look at those spots. Delicious. We're really racing against time now. Try and get these all cooked as fast as possible before the storms hit. And when the storms do hit, I'll capture it on the video too, because that'd be cool. And here comes the rain. I think we're just going to pull the grill inside and finish the rest of the cooking. I don't mind if it storms, but wait till we get inside then it can pour.
I think I'm just gonna do 6 burgers.
Okay.
We're kind of racing now.
Look at that cloud right there. See that? Good thing we don't have too far to go inside. Interesting Mother's Day cookout, and Mother's Day storm. Would have been nice if we had a second grill. It used to be a grill here, a second one. Don't know what happened to it. Somebody out there watching this, so we had water brats, water burgers. Nice and soft and chewy. Welcome to Everyday Life with Ralph Powers Jr. on this Mother's Day, Sunday, May 11th, 2014. We're out here having cookout, and we're racing against time with a storm coming. There's a storm right here. It's raining right now. Try and cook this all up as fast as possible. Look at those plain broiled burgers. I think the rain droplets are adding more fuel to this. The rain seems to have stopped a little bit, so cook up the rest of my burgers. Yeah, got done just in time. That's really starting to come down. Oh, it smells like pizza.
Yeah. power goes out if we did have to. Wait, it says power.
There was a red house here. Yeah, they're pretty.
Well,
Pretty houses.
and now we're starting to get some lightning. Just to watch.
Areas of dense fog will be possible Monday, and Monday night as warm, moist air flows across the cold Lake Michigan nearshore waters. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 144, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following.
I think this big bag of charcoal. You know, I do love a buffet. This is kind of like a buffet. Got hot dogs, hamburgers, brats, fried chicken. Here's buffet of dessert. Got cake. Got pound cake. Cookies or some. We get all here. Here's what I'm going to try and eat in one sitting. Got 2 brats, got fried chicken, a hot dog, 2 burgers, and we do have dessert. Cake, pound cake. We have ice cream. We got pudding. The weather radio right here is the music.
It's sleeting out.
Huh. That's our music right there. Or the guitar. Oh, look at this.
Red top here, sign.
Look at this. Oh goody. Tony's got a boat. We got any floods? Take a boat. Through the water. Just like that, it's sunny out again. It does smell good. Fresh rain. Smells good out there.
What do you think of that, Mr. Blue Duck? That's fantastic!
That's funny. sad.
Tell you the other morning I was stepping outside, the mouse tray getting in.
Oh yeah. Is that the second time it happened?
No.
You know, you tipped up the screen while I was sitting here waiting for the bus to come back. I happened to find someone's rotten banana. Looks like it's been here for quite some time.
Oh, we're cooking in out here.
Yep. It rains, so we'll pull the grill inside the apartment. That's it, we like that thing. We have some visitors and maybe instant indoor pool.
Yeah.
Good. Go ahead. We're back.
Working in a storm.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. You guys are so good?
Yeah.
Oh, did beat.
What is going on?
Good to go out there. We're for a fast storm.
Expected to push through southern Wisconsin early Monday morning before moving into northern Wisconsin Monday afternoon. As a low pressure reaches northwest Wisconsin.
I know it's watch.
Southern and central Wisconsin.
And I got 10.
Whoa.
When it first started, it was like fireworks.
Huh.
Because the embers were splattering underneath.
Huh. Or is it like a Killamore, like inside of a train or something?
Mm-hmm.
That's what it looks like. Welcome to Everyday Life with Ralph Powers Jr. on this Mother's Day, Sunday, May 11th, 2014. We're out here having cookout, and we're racing against time with a storm coming. There's a storm right here. It's raining right now. Try and cook this all up as fast as possible. And here comes the rain. I think we're just going to pull the grill inside and finish the rest of the cooking. I don't mind if it storms, but wait till we get inside, then it can pour.
I think I'm just gonna do 6 burgers.
Okay.
Great. We're kind of racing now.
Look at that cloud right there. See that?